Financial education in rich families. The secret of increasing wealth, one of the key factors which makes the rich get richer and the poor and the middle class get stuck in a cycle of poverty and debt. It is the way to teach and transfer financial knowledge in families. The wealthy prepare their children for greater success by providing financial education within the family. While this education is often neglected in the formal education system, most people inherit their knowledge about money and financial management from their parents. But parents who are struggling with financial problems themselves, how can they pass on enough financial knowledge to their children? They usually only advise their children to study and work hard, but these recommendations without practical training in the field of asset management. An investment is not enough. Children who grow up in low-income families may graduate from school with outstanding grades, but without the same mindset and financial planning that their parents had. They repeat, these patterns have been institutionalized in their minds since childhood, and changing them requires constant training and practice. Robert Kiyosaki, the famous author and investor, believes that financial education should start at home, and parents should provide their children with the necessary knowledge and responsibility in this field. He believes that these educations can save the future generations from the trap of poverty and debt and help them achieve financial independence. I hope this video will help you reach the heights of success. Support us and introduce your friends.